Now we're going to mix some paint. We already selected the red, and then we chose the mixer brush, and we chose the 30 brush, and then we're going to, on top, we're going to choose dry, and right above we brush away using the dry. And then we're going to use the eyedropper tool again. Select the blue tube, and let me see. And we're going to choose a rounded sketch ballpoint pen brush. The first brush on the second row, which is 60. Oh, I have to choose the brush first. And 60. It says it's the ballpoint pen. I don't see that name anywhere, but we're gonna go ahead and go for it, right? And then we brush away. Ooh, it's very dark. Oh, but we need to change. I have it set for dry, so let me do. I forgot to change the setting, and they want us to choose wet. So here we go. Whoa! So there's what it looks like wet. Okay, so after we do the blue, then we're going to sample the yellow. So I get the eyedropper again. I choose yellow. And this time we're going to choose back. We're going to go back to the mixer brush. And what brush do they want us to get? In their brushes tools. I want to choose the one in the middle, 30. And then we're going to choose very wet. And there's that. Choose very wet from the menu option bar. Then paint some more. Now the yellow mixes with the white background. I wonder if I missed something. Okay. Then we're going to use the eyedropper. We're going to choose yellow, green, and sample the green color from the green paint tube. Then select the mixer brush. For the green paint in the brush panel, you will choose a hard rounded brush. The 6th brush on the 5th row. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to scroll down to pull these down. It's basically the last brush, I believe. And then just play around. That's basically what they want. So, whoa. But you can try different brushes. Go ahead, try. Oh, that's way too big. That's huge. Try different brushes. Try different types, like wet, light, mix. Experiment. Try, have fun. Try something new. All right. We're going to continue on in a second.